for New Food Friday, we're gonna have Krackjacks.
Krackjacks. Sounds like a different version of Cracker Jacks.
I always think it's Cracker Jacks. Whoa.
Cracker?
That is good.
Cracker?
What does it taste like?
I don't know.
What's it smell like?
Kind of like an animal cracker.
Yeah, it tastes.
It smells like an animal cracker, but it tastes kind of different. Like,
It tastes like a cookie. It tastes
kind
like,
of, yeah.
it tastes like a cookie, and it smells like a graham cracker.
It tastes kind of just like a Ritz, just a slightly sweetened up Ritz.
I kind of figured they would be smaller, like that big, not that big. But they are good. They're sweet.
No, they're sweet, but not too sweet. They're pretty good. They smell like animal crackers. So.
I'm trying to give a thumbs up without any thumbs. Yeah, I would say they're pretty good.
Turtle ate it.
Looks like a cracker.
Turtle ate some.
It tastes to me like a graham cracker. They're delicious. It's more of a cookie than a cracker, that's for sure.
Yeah, there's two servings per container. Each serving is 150 calories. There's 6 grams of added sugar in each one.
10 crackers.
Serving 6 grams of total fat, 115 milligrams of sodium, 23 grams of total carbs, and 2 grams of protein, and 1 gram of fiber.
Turtle
says
I think they taste like extra sweet graham crackers.
Turtle says it tastes like a chocolate chip.
they are really sweet.
And Turtle says it smells like a graham cracker.
So what do you think?
Definitely a thumbs up.
And
I
Turtle,
would also say a thumbs
Yeah,
up.
good.
look, Turtle.
Mhm. They're good. I mean, they might make good s'more crackers.
They would be good on s'mores. They're very
Turtle
sweet.
says a thumbs up.
Maybe. I'm not sure about that. But